I think as producers, one of the greatest achievement that we can get is when our favorite DJ of all time plays one of our tracks. Paul van Dyk didn't just sign this track, he's played it across multiple different festivals across the globe. Festivals such as Luminosity Beach Festival, Transmission, Wrong in Malta, and many, many more. As you can imagine, tracks are very disposable nowadays, and artists such as Paul van Dyk are probably going to be getting sent thousands of tracks a week. So it's been a great honor to watch Paul play it across multiple different sets across the globe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this track was created. We're going to be going through the thought process, my ideas about how it was arranged, the automation, processing, the sound design, all the MIDI, and everything else you can think of when it comes to getting that track finished and sent out. So if you're struggling with your music and you want a good insight into how a track like this is made so that you can maybe spark the attention of your favorite producers and DJs, then be sure to check it out at allanmorrowstudios.com.